So Michael, look, we've just joined you here at Coolvan, and we've been talking a little bit about the differences between an electric fridge van conversion and a combustion diesel fridge van conversion. We're obviously here because we want to do more to help the planet. We're doing bits, we know we can do more. Just tell us a bit about the differences with a diesel combustion conversion and an electric conversion, because I believe they're a bit different.
Yeah, so with an electric fridge on an electric van, there's no intervening with the van itself. So everything on an electric van with the batteries takes the power through the batteries,
right,
rather than using a power takeoff from the engine itself, which creates problems and there's all sorts of pitfalls in that.
And in terms of your time involved, I mean, is there more time in this sort of complicated wiring, or what sort of?
It's actually a lot easier, to be honest.
Right.
There's a lot less involved.
Right.
So all you need to do is wire up to your batteries and pipe from the condenser to the evaporator,
right,
and that's about it.
So as I've understood it, there's no messing around with the engine.
That's right.
There's no additional strain on the engine's load.
Yeah.
You're not going to use any more fuel, because obviously we're electric doing that.
Fuel economy is great.
Are there any downsides to running an electric fridge off an electric van in your view?
Not really, no.
No. Cool.
It's the way forward.
There we go. It's
Yeah.
the future.